Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's chart is unchanged. Yeah, yesterday the idea in the last video was that we could be moving up towards that D wave high or that proposed D wave of the triangle. That we're dealing with a triangle here is something that I'm considering. Now it could be, it could be a B wave triangle even in yellow, but first of all, I'm just considering it is some kind of a triangle. Whether bullish or bearish, well, exactly that is what the market needs to determine, right? We don't know that yet. Market can break out in both directions. That's why I said to you, we have to be careful in this range. And also, the bulls and the bears, they are still fighting. They haven't, the fight hasn't been clearly won by any party. So it's the fight for 100K. Surely we are below 100K, but we are still in the sideways range. During which 100K was tested several times. And I shared with you yesterday that should the swing low hold, because there was a potential for a low to be in place in this area at least, we could see the price move towards 100K next. We're doing that at the moment, specifically the area around 98,267, which is the 38.2 extension. You see it here on the chart on the right hand side. And the 61.8 extension at 100,870. These are, these are two possible, not only possible, but two probable targets for a D wave in a triangle, even though the 38.2 extension is a little bit weak. So normally I'd like to see the price go a little bit higher than that, maybe touch the trend line or even reach 100,870 in this D wave of the triangle. Now, does that mean we get one more higher low and then in wave E, for example, yeah, and then the wave 4 is done and we break out? I would say at least the potential is there, but for a successful breakout, we need a break above the B wave top of the triangle, and that level was reached and printed on Friday the 6th, and here we talk about 100, let's say 102K. So that level needs to be broken for a breakout signal to the upside. I mean, surely a break above that 61.8 extension plus a break above the trend line, that will help. But overall, Bitcoin is caught in a sideways correction. While the white scenario shows the potential for higher prices, it could easily be the yellow scenario. In that case, we might still be in the wave 4, even though it looks like this low is in. And it might have been an A wave. Now we work on a B wave of sorts before we go lower in wave C. So there is a bullish and a bearish scenario. Don't be surprised if I change the micro count frequently in the range. That is completely normal in sideways ranges, because the winner just hasn't been decided yet, and you can get lots of quick and possibly random looking up and down price action. I think the main takeaway here is we haven't got a winner yet. I would say if we see a break out of the triangle to the upside, it might look again more like the bulls are winning. I mean, certainly the bulls turned up yesterday down here, but is it really looking like an upside impulse? I would say no, not yet at least. I mean, that can change quickly. Remember that I highlighted in many altcoin videos yesterday that on the 4-hour chart, those were oversold, indicating at least a bounce is likely. We see that on the Bitcoin chart as well. Even though Bitcoin wasn't really oversold, Bitcoin wasn't even oversold on the 1-hour chart. Definitely not on the 4-hour. And, this is what I said. Bitcoin wasn't really affected much. I think it feels nearly like the altcoins really suffered, whereas Bitcoin, feels nearly like the money moved from altcoins to Bitcoin in order to protect the bullish scenario. I don't know, but certainly Bitcoin wasn't really affected. I mean, we're still in that range, and I will show it to you. As long as we are in this range, I see this here as a range in which we could spend some time, and it's the range between the 5th of December top and the 5th of December low. And the idea of a triangle fits quite well into this. So don't want to make the video longer than it needs to be. So I think today the focus is on that blue zone. We've reached it already, but ideally we move a little higher. And then this is again defined between 98,267 and 100,870. And then from there, we'll see if the bears step in again. So yeah, that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in more updates, feel free to check out our channel page here. You can find a video explanation about what the membership includes. There are member-only videos for members. Yesterday, I made a video about AVAX, long-term, short-term. There were 14 coins covered the day before, many other coins. You can join the membership live streams every Sunday. And if you're a gold member, you can even join Discord for a lot of additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.